English or Hindi? What do you want to speak in?
जो भी बोलो हिंदी.
More for more audience.
I mean no audience. I mean we can speak Hindi and also
Okay,
English,
we'll
right? Mix it together. Of course we are from India.
Yeah, so we'll mix.
So, bro, what do you think about social media?
About social media?
Yeah, I mean it's good or not?
Of course it's good, right? Like, I mean, obviously got bad things to it as well.
Yeah.
So we were discussing some things, like Rohit here has a coffee channel.
Yeah.
And I have
YouTube coffee channel, which is you guys can see.
Which is amazing. I love coffee. And I do this yoga channel, like more of like conscious content. I think we should do conscious coffee.
Conscious coffee?
Yeah.
This is a very tricky question, yeah.
Conscious coffee, why not?
No, bro, conscious coffee, no. Caffeine.
Caffeine is a good thing.
Yeah, bro.
In limited quantity.
I mean, yeah, caffeine is good thing.
In limited
so
quantity,
running a business like as be in a shop all the time, not in the social media. But I have seen these days especially that people are like putting so much effort in social media that they don't have that much work in the physically with socializing people, right? And they can work like totally with automation and socialize through social media. I mean, social media पे काम करके इससे ज़्यादा बेनिफिट है, बेनिफिशियल लोगों को लगता है क्योंकि आपको यहाँ पे खड़ा होना पड़ेगा, दिन रात कैफे में काम करना पड़ेगा. वही सेम चीज़ अगर आप ऑनलाइन करते हो वहीं से तो ज़्यादा कन्वीनियंट मानी जाती है. कुछ नहीं है, कंप्यूटर पे काम करना है, एडिटिंग करनी है, वीडियो डालनी है, अपने प्रोडक्ट डालने हैं कैफे के, थोड़े कंटेंट डाल दिए, वो सेम चीज़ वहाँ से आ जाएगा.
बराबर है. नहीं, वो तो कंटेंट अच्छा है, पर जो पर्पस ड्रिवन जो होगा उससे मतलब ऐसा ऑडियंस नीश भी आएगा, उसके ऊपर कॉज भी दिखेगा, ब्रांड इमेज भी बढ़ेगा. जैसे कॉफी जैसे हो, एनीथिंग इट इज कॉन्शियसली सोर्स्ड, और या यहाँ से we are making it in such a way that is good for you in a specific way. So anything can be made into, because there's no limits to this, right? There's good and bad, but nothing is absolutely good or absolutely bad. But definitely there is good and bad. So this coffee comes in an area where it's I would say conscious coffee. When I have caffeine, it gives enough brain stimulation to do activities. Now, obviously, it's not good as meditation. It's a Rajasic thing, Tamasic and Rajasic, not Sattvic. But you know, we are not supposed to be only in Sattvic. There have also been different gunas, because not for everybody everything is the same. So social media is a good way to promote coffee and yoga and everything. Obviously, now AI has come, and you can have AI edit videos and post them and give you reports on how it.
हाँ यार, AI तो आ ही गया. जब मैंने start किया था, I mean there was no AI. And without AI doing everything by myself, like you know.
Oh shit! So much pain without AI.
Yeah, now AI came. So I mean, whatever we have like any questions about like how to start this and that. So now easy हो गया ना काफी.
बहुत easy हो गया. But also it's like AI algorithms. जैसे Facebook Meta का algorithm हुआ, that they want to share content. तो उसका जो backend है Llama, that is also integrated with AI. So now, as you post ads, हर एक ad का there will be a timeline, and they will optimize the best possible way of getting the right ads to the right audience. It's only going to get better. So obviously, even now, content creation industry is still good, because people get bored of old content, they want new content, and they want newer and newer. So just make more content. You know, it might just click with people. You know, otherwise, what is there? It's an old industry. It's a 10-year.
I mean, like as I seen your video now on Instagram that you posted. Yes. उसके ऊपर जाना है, ऑर्डर लेना है यार.
ये भी डाल दो.
हाँ यार, डाल देंगे यार. ओपन लाइव चल रहा है मतलब.
हाँ, ओपन
काम भी चल रहा है.
लाइव है हम लोग.
लाइव, I mean लाइव नहीं है. हो सकते हैं जैसे लाइव. वीडियो बना रहे हैं, बाद में डाल दूंगा. तो अभी आपने मैंने वीडियो देखा ना, आपने मुझे दिखाया जो इंस्टाग्राम पे. It also looks so nice. I mean, you know, I mean when you talk about something, some consciousness, उसके ऊपर बात करना.
ये तो मेरे को बहुत पहले करना चाहिए था. What happened was I was running away from fame for a long time, because I was going towards freedom. But then I'm like, now it's already people are famous. So
I mean, with that you can reach out to a lot of people. So you know.
Yeah. But I mean, I was consciously running away from being famous when I was in California and all that stuff in the US. But now I'm like, you know, whatever, let's share.
Yeah.
If it gets famous,
Socialize,
if
say,
people
not
like it, they'll like
influence,
it. You know, nothing to be scared of,
Yeah.
nothing to fear.
अभी आवाज़ सुना है, आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही है इसमें? माइक चल रहे हैं?
चल रहा है?
चल तो रहे हैं यार, देखें।
हाँ